That's it. That's it. We're done. Alright guys, go check the link in the bio. We got the shirts ready to go. We got the shoe going on. I got blood coming to my head. Shirts looking lit like always. That shit's so good, good quality. You can even do it upside down. Don't worry about my nipples, they're a little hard right now. Alright, as you can see, all the ladies back there are taking all the pictures right now. Big congrats to all of them. A lot of you guys like the shirts. I'm glad that everyone's taking care of them, enjoying them, sleeping with them. Literally, you guys are pissing in them. Super sick ass. Right now, we're taking a photo shoot, so enjoy.
Eddie, look at this parking though. Look at those parking skills. We tight.
You're gonna like basically like be the...
He's gonna be the same as Danielle.
Okay.
Said I gotta run away, get away now. Too many games and they all trying to play out. Too many people and they all start to change now. Let me take it back, they gon' know my name now. Yeah, we came a long way, but it's one way. Got a long way to go like it's Monday. Someday gotta be in LA. No, I gotta make it work out like chest day. Yeah, we just young and we living, we doing it right over here. While you missing just me and my homies, we running the city. Not worry about blowing these.
Okay, broskies, we got a photo shoot going on. Not too shabby. This is pretty cool. Shout out to everyone always supporting. Everyone likes the shirt so far. We actually sold them out in 30 minutes, so that wasn't too bad. So I'm like really glad that people are liking it, you know, just like, and it actually has F cancer on the shirt. So not too shabby. We have all the girls right now taking the photos, taking the walks right now, looking fresh as always.
End up going to waste. I got all my people, they holding me down. They all coming with me when I got the crown. Track, trying to master rap. I never gave it up when they called me whack. I gotta run the game like I'm a running back. I gotta change it up so you ain't stuck with that. Now give me the mic and I'm gone.
Or like this. How does Danielle do it? Like this?
You gotta flip it.
I gotta flip the shirt. Ooh, ready, here we go.
Hot, yes.
Not too much. That's it. That's it. We're done. We're done.
Hello. Yeah. Look at your guys' shirts though. They're so... Yes. Ready.
Going rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll